I'm locked up and they won't let me out. Oh, they won't let me out. Ah! Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again for another unboxing video. Hey, we got a visitor coming, so we got to get ready. I bought a brand new, this is a heavy duty dog crate, 48 inches long. This is a big boy. This is what they call, this is a indestructible dog cage. You know, that bad boy look like 75 pounds. So this shirt is mostly put together, but we're gonna put the finishing touches on it. So I'm gonna set you guys up over here. We're gonna get this thing unboxed and we're gonna get it set up. This is I guess for any size dog. This is for we got a Labrador. We're gonna be dog sitting a Labrador for a little while. So we got this crate right here during the downtime. So we're gonna get out of control. So that's right, you guys. Make sure y'all definitely check out our video series. We're gonna have a video series called Hondo. So make sure y'all check it out. So let me get this baby cracked open. Got the knife. This thing is heavy too, boy. It took two of us just to get this bad boy downstairs. So let's open this baby up. I think it opens like that. Okay. Like only 2 or 3 things I should have to do. Everything else should be pretty much together. Okay, that slides out. That should slide right. This part, yep. This part pops up to the boom. This one right here. Oh, this is all up right here. Pop it right here. Pop. So now we got that. All right, cool. I think we got everything we need here. So let me take this down. Bam. And we lift this baby up. Yes, sir. Let me show you guys. Wait a minute. Let me bring it over here. All right. So this how it looks right here. So it looks like that. Of course, you got the instruction manual here. I think this is most good. You know what we do with the instruction manual? But nah, I might read it. We're gonna see though. I like to try it without reading it first. So look at this baby. So look at that. Boom. This baby is rough and rugged. Yeah, it's pretty much together. Look like you just basically unfold it. So we're gonna see. Let me set you guys back up over here. Think we could just unfold this thing. Get it all set up. So let's see what we got. Oh, they got letters on them. See, you got letters G. All right, we're gonna get it together. Damn. This boy beast mode. Yeah, I need the knife again. I'm gonna need the knife again. Yep. Oh, I think it is together. Let me get the knife. I don't need the knife again. Beast mode. We got beast mode on these boys. Ooh. Beast mode. Come on, Paul. Oh. Yeah, each one of these got letters on it. See, this got a G on it. Okay, so it is like different pieces to it. Okay, I thought it was all. Oh, it is all together. Okay, that's what I thought. Man, this baby indestructible. Okay, this comes up. Oh yeah, okay. One goes one way, one goes another way. Oh man, I see screws, you guys. So we gotta do a little work. Okay. Most of it's together though. We gotta put some screws in this thing, though. That's gonna fall. Yeah, I got the pieces right here. Yeah. Look at that little baby. Hey y'all, we gotta keep on. Yeah. I'm sorry. Hit the big circle. There you guys look. Yeah, the way it's set up is the 1, 2, 3, the 4 sides. The bottom of the 4 sides are already there, so you just gotta latch the top, and then that piece I put on the side right there, that's the top piece. My camera person gonna hold that for me so that one don't fall down. And see, here's the last one. So all the 4 sides are already attached to the bottom. That's what makes it even stronger. So the only thing you gotta do is attach. You got a little packet here. Got a little packet. Looks like the packet has those. So these are the wheels right here. These are the 4 wheels, and then you got a couple. Yeah, that's basically mostly what it is. And then you got a couple of screws that go in the side. So most of the packet here is the wheels, and the only other screws looks like the 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that go around the side. So that's basically it. So basically it's just 6 screws. So everybody just put it together, and then the other one, that one goes on the top of it, and it raises up and down. So yeah, it's pretty simple, you guys. I'm gonna put this together, and then I'm gonna show you the finished product. All right, you guys. What we found out though is when you first open it up, this piece right here is gonna be on the top, but this is actually the bottom, and basically the piece that goes on the top is gonna be underneath it. So if you open it the right way with the lid up, like I showed you in the beginning, just remember when you're looking for the top piece, it's gonna be on the bottom, and then you'll know how to put it together. But we'll show you. So we're going to put this thing down, and then we're going to flip it around, and then we're going to show you how we do it. Oh, you know what? Hey, man, let's go ahead and get this out of the way, too. That way we got more real estate. There we go. Y'all know how we do it. Y'all know how we do it right here. Bam! That's how we do it. Prime time. All right. Always make sure when you do some work, you try to keep your area as clean as possible. Or at least keep the dirty areas off of the camera. So there we go, you guys. We bring it down. And if the camera person we're going to get a good look at this, get a good shot of this. This is how it looks before we put the bottom in. So this is a big cage right here. The doors are right here. So you're going to, just come down like this. I like it. It's got a double lock too. So it's stiff too, so the dog can't just hit it and bang it. Look, I'm having trouble. I might have to put some grease on that boy. Yeah, we might have to. Oh, this thing is real stiff. Yeah, we're gonna have to bang this out, you guys. We'll get this over. This thing is. If I can't get it, no, the dog can't get it. This one is real. All right, we'll bang that out. Oh, you know what? I know how we can do it right now. Real quick and in a hurry. This is real stiff right here, so we're just gonna bang this out real quick. Bam, there you go. There ain't nothing to me. So bam, that's how the dog gets in and out through the door right there. And then you just slide that with that. And then now we're gonna put the other pieces in. So I think all right, you guys, that's the entire cage. I'm loving that. Like I say, right here, you got the little lock. So if you worry about your dog moving, you just bring this little lock up right here. And then that keeps it from sliding when the dog moving around. This is for all the waste. What we're going to probably do is put some cardboard down on top of this too. Make it even easier for the cleanup. You got the cage here, right here. That's how it gets in. Like I said, this is 48 inches across. Then on the top, you can just let this up. So if you want the dog in the cage, but you can still peep out, you could be like this, or you can fool with the dog while it's in the cage for some control. So this is what you want right here, big boy style. This is the Indestructible cage. As you know, the link will be in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Hondo!